When Admiral was started some 25 years ago, the aim of the company was to provide a healthy workplace and a great work-life balance for all of the staff. We've got multiple policies in place for the staff. These include flexible working, parental leave, and a health and well-being policy that's aimed at not just supporting the physical health of the staff, but also the mental well-being of all of the employees here.
Having an employer who really values your health and well-being, both inside and out of work, can make a massive difference. I mean, essentially for me, it means that I'm probably more likely to be more productive whilst I'm at work, because I'll be happier, I'll be more relaxed, I'll be looking after myself, and that means that I'm probably less likely to take time off work due to health reasons.
We've introduced mindfulness sessions as well. Yoga is very well taken up across the different sites on a weekly basis. We have meditation sessions as well to help staff to be able to relax during the working day and get some perspective on what they're actually achieving.
I take advantage of many of the policies that Admiral have to offer. One of my favourites is the Cycle to Work scheme. I'm actually on my second bike through the scheme now, and I use that to commute to work every day. I use the gym and swim passes. We have corporate gym membership here, and I use those on a weekly basis. I have free fruit every morning from our fruit stand, which is amazing because it means I get to have a healthy and a balanced breakfast at no cost to myself. I've also taken advantage of My Time, which is something that the company brought in recently, which has allowed me to have an extra 3 days of holiday and paid leave, and that's meant I can spend more time with my family and friends as well.
When you look at the layout of our buildings, you'll find distinct chill-out areas where the staff can actually go to cut themselves off from the working day, to concentrate on something else, to reframe their minds and make sure that they go back to their desks refreshed and ready for the challenges ahead.
We tend to spend a lot of our time working in the office, and you can implement small changes and policies to make a difference to them, and that'll make them feel more motivated, more empowered, and less likely to leave your business feeling happier at the same time whilst they're at work.
In a nutshell, talk to your staff. They know what they need. We see all of these initiatives as important tools to help us to support our staff in supporting the business.